Let us again solve a very simple problem, which is 3345, the smallest divisible digit product 1. This question says that you are given two integers, there is n and a t. Return the smallest number which is greater or equal to n, such that the product of its digit is divisible by t. So what do we need? As we have the number which is n and t. So we have n and then we have the t. So what do we need to do? We need to check as which the product of the digits of the n is divisible by 2. So that should be the smallest, greater or equal. So we need as n, and now the current n is 10. So what is the product of its digits? As we need to see the product of its digits. So the product is 1 into 0 equal to 0. So is 0 divisible by 2? So equal to 0 means it is divisible. So the 10 is the right answer. So let us just see the 10 is the right answer. Now moving to the example 2, let us see the example 2 here. So example 2 is 15. Okay. So the n is 15. So what is the product of its digits? So 1 into 5 means 5. So is 5 divisible by 3 is not equal to 0. Okay, as it is 2 not equal to 0, then we will increment the from n by plus 1. So n is equals to 16. So our p will become 1 into 6 means it is 6. Then the 6 modulo 3 is equal to 0 means this is divided. So that is the thing we need to take. So this is the correct answer. So 16 is the correct answer we need to return. Okay, that's the thing we need to do. What are the things we need to take care of it? As we need to first calculate product of digits. We need to first calculate the product of digits as we are calculating here. Then the next is to check as it is divisible by that or not. Check divisible. Okay, then check divisible, and if not, we will just increment digit, and this loop will run forever until you got a thing. So we will have a while true here. Okay, so let us code it out as just take a while loop which will mark as true, as we need the product here. Okay, so that is the we have taken the int num equal to n, and then as we need to do product. Okay, we need to do product, so we need to initialize the product by 1, not by if p is equals to 0, all the multiplicands will also be 0. So that's why we are initializing with the 1. So let us initialize it with the 1. So we need the product is 1. Now what is here to find the product of digits? So product of digits. So let us find the product of digits in which we will have, if the it will work until the nums is greater than 0. We will extract the word from the num, extract the digits. So we have the digit which is equals to nums modulo 10. So we will have the digit here, and then we will multiply the digit from the product into digit. Okay, and at last we will check if the product check for divisible. How to check? As if your product is if the product is divisible by the t, we will return the num. We will return the n. Okay, and if it is not there, we will increment the n by plus plus. So it will not go out of the loop. So we do not need to return outside the loop. So let us hit the see the test cases are passing or not. So it is having some issues. Okay, so it is of nums. Let us again see for the test cases. It is the product p equal to 0. We need to check, right? So that is the thing. Now let us check it is passing the 3 of the test cases or not. So it is having the TLE. Why TLE? As I think I have not divided the nums. Okay, so num we need to divide it by 10. As we need to decrement the num now. Okay, so this is accepted, and now let us submit the problem. On submitting the problem, it is passing all the test cases, thousands of test cases. So this was the today's problem. The time complexity of this problem is, let us calculate the time complexity for this problem. So here, let us say we are having the n. Let us say m is the number of checks we are having, number of check as by incrementing the I. And let's say here are the k times it all works, as let's say k is the number of digits in each. Okay, so for all checks, we will traverse the number of digits. That's why it is m and k. So the time complexity of the solution is big O of m and k. And as we can see, the things are given here as the n and t are approx 100 and 10. So we can place the 110. So it will come to the big O of 1 similarly. So the code of C++ Python is in the description. Feel free to reach out. And if it helps, feel free to subscribe. Thank you.